invisible damage beneath the bridge, corrosion, cracks, where danger begins. A new standard in bridge inspection. ZEDA Korea presents the ZBT-2400.
The ZBT-2400 offers a 24-meter platform and a 9.3-meter working depth. One vehicle covers the entire underside of a bridge.
Unmatched reach, exceptional precision, with a 24-meter platform and 9.3-meter depth. ZBT-2400 creates a freer and safer working environment beneath any bridge. Expanding reach, ensuring safety. This is the power of ZEDA Korea.
Safety is not optional. Limit switches and the automatic balance system calculate stability in real time.
Limit switches, encoders, and safety stoppers monitor every motion in real time. The three-way wide roller outriggers maximize ground support, while non-slip stainless stairs and aluminum railings guarantee safe access. The self-diagnosis controller and wireless remote provide intelligent operation. And dual brakes with motion valves and high-capacity motors deliver smooth, powerful movement. All systems integrated for safety beyond expectation.
Even under vibration, wind, or heavy traffic load, the ZBT-2400 maintains perfect stability.
From Korea to the world, redefining bridge inspection technology. ZEDA Korea. Safety beyond structure.